Hi friends, hope you're doing great today. So in this upcoming series of tutorial, I would be covering about XRM Toolbox. So XRM Toolbox is a Windows-based application which has been offered as an open source tool which enables or which helps a customizer or a system administrator so as to perform multiple tasks in Dynamics CRM. So this tool gets connected to the Dynamics CRM through the CDS and which helps us so as to configure, undertake multiple user settings through multiple tasks, through multiple plugins which are available in the application. So the first thing I would be covering is how to download and install this tool. So for that, we need to go to the website xrmtoolbox.com. Once you log in to the website, you need to go to this button, the green button on the website, wherein there is written as download button. Once you download from there, a zip would be downloaded to on the local machine, which needs to be extracted it. And on extraction, you would find an exe or an application file over which you need to double click it. So this is the button wherein you need to click. On click on this button, this particular file will get downloaded. When you open this folder, I have already extracted out. On click on this, we need to click on this exe. On click on this exe, this particular program will open on your screen, something like this. Now, since this application has been loaded on your screen, so definitely we need to get connected to the required set of instance of Dynamics, wherein we need to perform the task using this application. So for that, we need to click on the connect button, which is on the top. On click on the connect button, we would have another window which will enable us so as to connect to different instances of Dynamics CRM through different mediums. Now I'm going to click on the connect button. The moment I click on the connect button, I would be able to see a screen in here. I need to click on the new connections. On click on the new connections, I would be clicking on this SDK login control. On click on this login control, I can open the SDK login control, wherein I can give my Office 365 credentials, which will enable me so as to get connected to different instances of Dynamics CRM. These credentials can be stored in the application, which can be referred in future while we are trying to perform any other task. So now we have covered till how to connect to environment. The third important part is like how to load a plugin which is available in this tool. For that, we need to click on this tools library, which enables us so as to download or search the plugins based upon the name of the author or based upon the functionality. Let's say I want to search a plugin which is available for performing the task related to solutions. So I can write directly the solution, or let's say I try or I wish to search a tool based upon the author's name. So I can simply say the author name. Now let's say I want to simply download this plugin and want it to be part of my system. So I need to click on this. The moment I would be able to see the information about this tool, and I can click on the install button, which will download this tool and will be available in my XRM toolbox. So we have covered how to load the tool and how to load a new plugin. In the upcoming tutorials, I would be assisting you so as to understand how to perform multiple other things in the XRM toolbox. Thanks. Have a great day.